morning.
Is it?
Kelly.
So, Claire, how'd you sleep last night?
Ugh, unbelievable. I left the windows wide open, so I heard the waves breaking. Kept breathing in all these good, clean ions. I can't tell you how refreshed I feel.
Glad one of us is.
Something wrong, Cal?
Yeah, Claire, something's wrong.
But I'm sure it's nothing we can't take care of. Has anyone ever told you you might have a slight tendency towards,
Snoring?
Yeah.
You've been talking to my old roommate.
No, we've been listening to you.
Come on, how bad could it be?
Oh, you want to hear how bad it is?
My God, I'm really sorry, you guys. I had no idea.
Well, it sounds a lot worse on the tape.
Oh, look, I'll have my stuff out by tomorrow, okay?
No, come on. We just gotta find a cure or something.
Well, I wouldn't get my hopes up. I don't know, I've tried holistic herbal teas, subliminal mail order tapes. It's so weird. The only time I don't snore is when I'm with a guy. So if Brandon's not busy, maybe he could,
Don't even think about it. I'm sure if we put our heads together, we can come up with something.
Or someone.
Are you sure this is legal?
Yes, I got it at an auto parts store.
An auto parts store?
It's for women who don't want to look like they're driving home alone at night, so they stick them in the front seat next to them.
Yeah, I don't know about this.
It's gonna work great. You said the only time you don't snore is when you're in bed with a guy. So, meet Mr. Man.
Hey, sailor, new in town?
He is kind of cute in an inflatable kind of way.
Yeah, and I bet he doesn't leave his dirty dishes in the sink.
Better yet, he probably doesn't leave the toilet seat up.
Or make you feel guilty for being in a bad mood.
You know, in other words, he's perfect. And I want to. No, I'm gonna take him.
He's
You can take him.
fine. I
Just
found
one
him
night.
first.
Oh, for one night.